Tired of doing reviews and products demonstrations on your dirty old tabletop? Is lighting an issue? Do you want to just add a unique and professional edge to your products? Well, I'm going to show you how to make an infinite background today with some real simple materials. All you really need is a large piece of construction paper that's white, the bigger the better, a roll of duct tape, a minimum of 3 light sources, and a couple ways to mount the lights and put the paper around to create this infinite background. What I do is I take the white construction paper and lean it against my monitors. That way it creates a sloping effect. And where I get the slope where it's nice and tall but still have an even bottom, I tape the bottom corners of that construction paper with the duct tape. That way it doesn't slide down. You take 2 of these light fixtures and mount them at the back portion of the slope of the construction paper. You might use a chair or a ladder or something to get them above the product and have a nice beam so it kind of fills up that whole portion of that construction paper. Then take your camera and its tripod and center it in front of the construction paper. The third light, just attach to the tripod, make sure that it's not in view of the camera, and shine it directly at the construction paper. If you have 4 lights, create a square effect, but have the lights in the front of the construction paper towards you lower and the ones in the back up higher. And if you're interested in how these light fixtures were made, I have a video down in the description box on how I made these. After that, you're good to go. Maybe adjust the light in a little bit by maybe using a couple pieces of paper as gel or diffusers to create or lessen the glare. This is a great way to demonstrate knives, jewelry, optics, or even talking about a firearm. If you guys ever have any questions about how I did this or need some more details, please contact me. I don't mind at all. But don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. That will help me out immensely. You guys take care. I hope this helped, and I will catch you later.